A very good day to you all students. Myself, Diksha Bhatt. I am a teacher trainee from Nirmala Institute of Education. Let's start with your science class. What do you see on screen? Some objects are changing its position. So this is called as motion. So let us define what is motion. Motion is a change in position of an object with time. So we have seen in previous slide some objects which change their position with time. Now there are three types of motion. In the first clip we have a car moving straight. That is, it is moving in a straight line. This type of a motion is called a straight line motion. Now look at the next picture carefully. You can see the movement of pendulum to and fro. This is called a periodic motion. What can you see in the third clip? There is a ball and it is moving 360 degrees. So you can say that it possesses a circular motion. So there are three types of motion: straight line motion, periodic motion and circular motion. Look at this picture, a relay race. Look at the movements of legs. What type of a motion is this? It's a periodic motion. Now in this picture we can see a bullock cart. If bullock cart is moving in a straight line, then what type of a motion it will be? Since it is moving in a straight line, it will be a straight line motion. Now look at this video clip. The earth is rotating. So what type of a motion is it? It's a circular motion. A swing that is going forward and coming back. This is an example of periodic motion. So today we are going to take up a new chapter, motion and time. Now look at these two pictures, A and B. In picture A, you can see that all the cars are moving in the same direction. But in picture B, you can see that the cars are moving in different directions. Now compare both the clips and tell me in which clip cars are moving fast. Definitely it would be in picture A, since all cars are moving in the same direction. So we can easily make out which car is fast or which car is slow. But in case of clip B, as direction of all cars are different, we cannot compare and tell which car is moving fast and which one is slow. Let us take one more example. Suppose you and your friend are going to have a race. So you all would race in the same direction. You all would not race like one person will go towards north and the other one will go towards south. Then you could not be able to tell who has higher speed or who has raced slow. So both of you will have to be in same direction. You all both will run in the same direction and reach at a particular point. Then only you can compare and see if you have run fast or your friend has run fast. Similarly, we can tell if vehicles are fast or slow if they are moving in the same direction. Objects can be said to be faster or slower if they move in the same direction. So it is important that they move in the same direction. Fast covers high distance in particular time and slow covers less distance in same time. Now let us say that your friend has reached 1 kilometer in 20 minutes and you have covered half kilometer in 20 minutes. That means your friend has covered more distance and you have covered less distance. Now let us define what is speed. The distance covered by an object in a unit time is called speed of an object. Let us take an example. Suppose there is a racing car and a Maruti 800. If the racing car covers 2 kilometers in 5 minutes and Maruti 800 covers 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. So you can see that the time is same for both. That is 5 minutes. But the distance covered by a racing car is more than that of Maruti 800. The racing car has covered more distance than Maruti 800 in the same time. So we can say that the racing car has a more speed. The formula for speed is the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. There are two types of motions, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line is constant, then it is said to be in uniform motion. That is, if the speed of the moving object along a straight line is same throughout, then it is in a uniform motion. On the other hand, if the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps on changing, then it is said to be in non-uniform motion. So basic difference between uniform motion and non-uniform motion is that in case of uniform motion, the speed of an object is constant throughout. It remains same. And in case of non-uniform motion, continuously it keeps on changing. I hope, dear students, you have got a clear idea of the topics which I have covered today. This brings us to the end of the first part of this chapter. If you have any difficulties, then you may contact me. Thank you.